Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a tall and elegant glam centerpiece, and this is going to be a summer centerpiece. So what you'll need is one of these glass candle holders, and you're going to need a glass hurricane. I've got two of these candlestick holders, and I've got some peel and stick diamond wrap from Dollar Tree, and this is the same kind of diamond wrap that you would find on a roll, but it's just on a flat sheet that you just peel and stick so it has an adhesive backing on it. And then I also have some of these gemstones as well, and you can pick these up at Dollar Tree on a half sheet size. I got mine at Walmart because my Dollar Tree doesn't carry them. And then I have some hot glue as well. And then I have a bunch of florals. I'm going to be doing a beautiful blue and white arrangement, but you can do whatever color you like. So if you don't want to do a blue and white arrangement for summer, you can choose whatever color you like. These are the items that we'll need to get the centerpiece completed, so let's get started. Okay, first of all, I forgot to mention to you guys that you will need a styrofoam floral ball. This is one that I already had on hand. I had cut in half and I've just glued it back together to make one floral ball. So you will need a styrofoam floral ball as well. You can pick these up at like Michael's or Walmart, or sometimes Dollar Tree will have a smaller version of this in a pack of 3. But for this, I'm going to go ahead and put some embellishment on these candlestick bases here. Now this is optional, you don't have to do this step. And now I'm just going to add some gemstones to this plate, candle holder plate. Right on this top edge here, I'm just going to add some gemstones. And now I'm just taking the diamond wrap with the self-adhesive diamond wrap with the backing on it, and I'm just cutting strips of this with 3 rows of gemstones, and I'm going to cut 4 strips of this. And then I'm just going to peel this and adhere it to the vase. And it has a self-adhesive backing on it that allows you to just kind of wrap the diamond wrap in whatever shape you like. Isn't that pretty? And so now that I've got the self-adhesive diamond wrap in a row of 3 here, then I'm going on the outside of either side of it with a row of these peel and stick gemstones just to enhance it a little bit. And just following the pattern that's already been created by the diamond wrap. So now I'm just going to start by inserting some blue flowers in sporadically. Okay, now that everything has had the gemstones added to it, and it's ready to go ahead and start assembling the base for the centerpiece. So I'm going to go ahead and to the bottom of one of these just add some hot glue. Now keep in mind, if you want to make this permanent, you can add E6000. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add a bead of hot glue here to the top, to the rim of this, and then go ahead and finish off the centerpiece. And I've already dropped a candle down in the center here, and that's optional. And just center it like that. Isn't that beautiful? And that's just beautiful on its own. Isn't that beautiful, you guys? And keep in mind, you don't have to use blue and white, but I think it's perfect for summer. Now let's go ahead and start playing around with it and decorating. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.